Baby, honey, sweetie, this denim dress, obsessed. Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So it is cozy season. That means we are about to do a fall try on haul. And the items that I'll be trying for you guys today will be from Zara. I went to Zara and I picked out about 7 items to share with you guys because the pieces were absolutely giving this season. Fall is clearly one of my favorite seasons. I love burnt oranges and the yellows and the hues and the leaves falling and the chai pumpkin spice lattes. Like, I love it all. I'm gonna give you guys my measurements so that you can use it to scale for your measurements when you're picking items on the website. So I am 5'3" in height, 153 pounds. My bust measurement is 36 inches, my waist is 30 inches, and my hips are 44 inches wide. In Zara, my range of sizing is quite weird and strange depending on the material, of course, and the item. In tops in Zara, I usually go for a size medium. In bottoms, it's a little bit tricky depending on if it's skirts or if it's pants. Just the other day I got a jogger in a medium size, but I got a size 12 in denim. Bottoms, I could do a large or extra large depending on how I want it to fit. For dresses, I am a size medium, and again, depending on the stretch and the material itself, I could go up to a XL. Another thing too is all of these items that I picked out, I had to see them in store because I don't know who is the creative director of the website design on Zara, but if you know, you know. With all of that being said, let's get straight into the video. So the first item I'll be trying out for you guys are these denim jeans. Now, if I am being completely honest with you, I shy away from getting denim from Zara. Like, absolutely, before did not recommend it, but when I saw these jeans, this is their booty cut jeans, and I saw the stretch in it, I'm like, okay, y'all might be on to something finally with the stretch. For some of us who have a lot of hips, I don't even have that much hip, but it's crazy to think that to compromise for the hips, we have to have these super loose waist fitting jeans. But with this jeans, it was sitting and it was giving low in the back. It was giving bootylicious Beyonce. Absolutely love the fit of the jeans on my waist. It wasn't too tight. I took up a size 10 first, and then I put it against my body, and I'm like, yeah, we're gonna go with a size 12. I don't care how much stretch it has. Y'all ain't gonna trick me because I know how y'all operate over there. Like, y'all will tell me, oh yeah, booty cut, stretch, go for my usual size, which is a size 10. No, I went a size up. So I would recommend going a size up if you got some junk in the trunk in the back. Okay, you definitely will need to go a size up. But this is my first satisfied pair of Zara jeans, and I love it. I love how long it is. So I will say it is tall girl friendly. Dare I say it's tall girl friendly? Let me take another look at these jeans. I will say they are tall girl friendly. I don't think I need to cut them if I'm wearing heels, but I could hem up like a 1 inch if I needed to. But overall, the jeans were giving what they actually advertise the jean is supposed to give, and these jeans, chef's kiss. Now, moving on to the next item. This is a staple item in your closet that you need for the season. Giving classy, it is iconic, it is a staple. You just need it, and I always wanted a long one. I had one a couple years ago. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if it ran away. I don't know what happened to my clothes. Sometimes they just disappear on me, and I missed out last season because I didn't grab it as soon as I could. But I wasn't missing out this time. You can dress up a fur vest with a dress. You could do a sweatshirt. You could do a turtleneck. You could wear denim jeans with it to keep it casual and cute. or you could dress it up with a dress with some boots and make it a night out type of look, so you are still within theme of the season. It did not shed at all when I took it out of the bag when I brought it home and tried it on. Like, I didn't have any shedding on the floor because it is a faux fur. So a lot of times, you know, you get some of those materials and it's like flying all over the place and totally embarrassing when you're in public to see your clothes just shedding everywhere. But it did not shed at all. I got it in a size medium and I thought it fit so well. So if I wanted to size down, I definitely could, but I didn't think a size down was necessary, especially since it's a outerwear and you need space in it to wear with other things. So if I want to wear like this big old sweatshirt, I need enough room in it to fit. Staple, you need it. Okay, now let's move on to another outerwear. Now, I'm usually more of a cream tone, warm tone type of girly, but I want you to try more neutral tones. So I'm like, okay, even though it's fall, we don't want to wear the same color shades every single day. So I'm like, you know, I'm gonna get this gray jacket because they also had it in a beige cream tone. And I'm like, okay, this is cute. Like, I could see myself dressing this up and it isn't too cold just yet, where this is the perfect light jacket to wear on a night out. So what I absolutely love about it as well is that you can crop it. So it has this drawstring at the bottom. So if you want to wear it classy straight, or if you want to make it like a crop top poofy type of look, more casual look, you can do that by pulling the drawstring. But I think I like it more in the straight classy way because I feel like I would wear it open up. I would accessorize it with some silver jewelry, you know, give it a little bit of flair. Like, I definitely could see myself wearing this, just throwing it on a very simple outfit. Like if I had a white top or a black top and some cute jeans or a skirt or joggers, even, like, you can just throw this on and make it a whole vibe depending on what you want to do. This is a fabulous dress. I got this dress in September. I got this dress a minute ago, so I'm hoping that it's still on the website to share with you guys. What caught my eye with this dress is the tones and the patterns in this dress. Love, 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 love. Like I said, it's not super cold just yet, and a lot of you probably live in places where you don't get snow like I do in Toronto, so this could wear any season. So I was thinking I could throw a jacket on if I still want to do like a night out where I feel like wearing a dress without it being a sweater dress. The tones in it is still giving within theme of fall. I initially bought it for a trip to Morocco, but I'm like, girl, we're gonna wear this at home too, okay? And also what I didn't even notice with the dress is that it has a ruched detail on the side that is giving a suction type of look, where it's giving hourglass because of the flare to the dress. In person, the dress is so rich and vibrant, and the material is not quite silk or satin, rather. So it's not satin, it seems like a mix of cotton and satin. I don't know the materials, chat, but all I know is the material is really nice and soft against the skin. I love the length of it and the pattern is what sold me for this dress. I'm obsessed. I bought two dresses, one in a denim material and one in leather. So we're gonna do the denim first. Baby, honey, sweetie, this denim dress, obsessed. It was super flattering. Again, with Zara, when I see denim in Zara, I turn the other way. But when I saw this dress, I'm like, Zara, please don't let me down. Let me have this. Please do not let me down. And they did not disappoint with the fit of this dress. Body contouring. I got this in a medium. I even chanced it by going with a medium instead of a large. So lovely. The material feels so good. It's not a hard denim, it's a stretchy type of denim. I forgot what they call that material of denim. I don't know. I'm not I don't know how these material stuff work, but the stretch in it is really lovely. It has a split at the back. So if you want to wear boots, because I'm definitely going to wear this with boots. So if you want to wear it with boots, the split in the back will be perfect for if you're wearing right below the knee boots, or if you want to wear heels with it, perfect. But I'm trying to keep within the theme, so I'm definitely seeing a boot moment with the dress. At the very top also, it has this elastic sticky thingy-majig. I don't know what they're called, but they usually are on like tube tops. So if you got big tatas, bigger boobs, that is supposed to help you to keep the clothes on top of your boob and give that extra security so it doesn't flip over and spill out in the street. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Next, we have the leather version to the denim dress. Now I saw them in two different Zaras. Also, if you know, who knows that two Zaras are never the same. Like, some Zaras have items in store that others don't have, and you gotta look around. So I never shop all my items in the same Zara. With this leather, again, I was a little bit nervous because I'm like, girl, are we really gonna chance this with a size medium in these dresses? And they are contouring. They are super contouring. I love how flattering they are. I love the fit of them. Again, this one also has a split in the back if you want to do a booty boots type thing, an ankle boots. I'm feeling like it's giving either below the knee black leather boots moment or a ankle boot. You can also do heels, like sandal heel, but keep them within the season. I'm thinking some nice black leather boots would kill this look with an all black moment. Again, flattering. It also has the sticky thingy-majig, because that's what we're gonna call it, the sticky thingy-majig at the top that holds your boob in place so it doesn't go anywhere. Them titties ain't moving. Okay, they will sit attentively on your chest because of this dress, so you don't even have to worry about it. 10 out of 10 for the design of these two dresses, because they eat, they give, they absolutely give, and I am here for it. Now the final item that we will be trying on in this haul is this suede dress. As soon as I walked into the store and I saw this dress, I'm like, let me have it. I need it. I didn't even know what the price was. I saw the price, I'm like, ooh, but let me have it, because I feel like this dress, the material and the quality of it is something that I know I will have for years. You know those items where you're like, to the price, but it's like, how long I'm gonna have this? Does this look like quality if I wash it over and over again? I can rinse and repeat this outfit for years to come. It's gonna last. This is that type of dress that is going to last. The quality of it is so good. My only concern though, my only concern with the dress is the buttons. So what I would recommend is wearing a shapewear or a camisole or like a cami shapewear, something. It needs something underneath it just in case, for that extra security, because when I tried it on, if you got a little bit of hip, even a little bit of hip could pop this thing wide open. Well, it didn't pop wide open for me, but the front, the last button definitely did open a couple of times when I took a couple steps. So if you're gonna wear this out, you definitely want to wear like a nude tone to match, or you could do black, just something just in case, you know, just for the security and the peace of mind. But all in all, this dress is it is the dress for the fall season. Okay, although that is all that I have for you guys today. When it comes to the jewels, you already know you can get them on my website at hostofchevb.com under Beyond Empress section. That is where we keep the jewels. So for your rings and your bangles and all them good stuff, go to my website to get accessorized. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the items that I chose. How would you dress them? Which items you would pick out for yourself? All that good stuff. How you would put the pieces together. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Chev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.